Hello, my name is Angelina, and today we're going to draw some boxes. Yes, it's very important to be able to draw boxes, especially in perspective, so I'm going to show you how to do this without a grid, which is very valuable. It's something I actually learned how to do lately, and actually it's good for beginners to be able to do this too. So, firstly, what you want to do is to draw a basic box. First, can you draw a square? And the way you do the square, whoops, I totally messed it up. Let's try again. Let's try this again. Hold on a second. So what you do is, to draw a basic square, you hold down shift, you put your pen down on the intuos or Cintiq, and then you draw a line down. And then do it again. Hold down shift, draw a line, hold down shift, draw a line, hold down shift, draw a line. Another way you could do this is you put 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, and 1 point here, and I'll show you how to get to the line. So what you can do is you can tap that dot, tap the other dot, and press shift and shift backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. Let's do it again. So tap there and then press shift at the same time as tapping, and then hold down shift, tap, like that. Again. Whoops. You want to practice this a few times. It's very valuable if you're drawing like a house or something or anything. So what you want to do is just let go of shift when you tap backwards and forwards, and you tap shift, tap shift, tap shift. Okay, so that's how you do basic square. Or you could do like an exercise where you just draw some dots around the page and see if you can shift, click, shift, click, shift, click. Okay, so this is really valuable. Next, we are going to draw some boxes. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure your lines are parallel. Okay, that's what you want to make sure of. So, I'm going to just draw this basic box for now. Whoops. Just do that shift down. Shift down. See? Parallel lines. Parallel means where the line never meets. They will always be separated from each other. And there you've got a basic box. So let's do that again. You can actually do this without. You can just do this like this. Just make sure your lines are always parallel. And there we go. We've got a box there too. So just practice drawing boxes. You can just draw them any way you want. Just make sure they're always parallel. Just make sure every time it's parallel. It's a very good skill to have. You can even do a pyramid. Not so much parallel, but just like that. With that, the two methods that I'm saying, where you draw, you know, this, meet the dot with the shift. So yeah, boxes. Another way you can do it is start with a line, and wanted to shoot a line out there, shoot a line out there, calm down, oops, calm down, shoot a line out here, shoot a line out there, down, make sure it's parallel. That's the important thing. Not perfect. There. just keep practicing drawing boxes in any position. Let's think, which way should we do it? Let's do one from the top. So we could start off. Oops. So it's like it's tilted slightly. Just make sure it's always parallel. And here you've got like a 3-point perspective. This is a bit difficult to do. But it's doable. Whoops. So instead of going all the way down because you're doing a 3-point perspective, you want to bring it in slightly and taper it in a bit. It's not perfect, but as I say, this is something to practice. You want to just get good at drawing boxes. And if you haven't got not the best box in the world. If you haven't got whoops, because I'm on the actual layer of the background. Let's start again from scratch. I'm going to draw a few boxes with this method. You just want to get a handle on this method. It's brilliant, and you'll be able to draw anything basically, and it will have structure to it if you always think about being parallel. The line's never supposed to meet. That's what the goal is of this lesson. I hope that makes sense, and I hope that you get that. If you don't understand, just leave a comment, and maybe I can help you with that. But yeah, this is how you do it. Just make sure you've got that click down, click shift, click shift, click shift, click shift. Whoops. Bit tricky because of the perspective. Not perfect. Takes some practice. But yeah, there you go. See? So that's it really. Drawing boxes. I hope you got a lot from this tutorial, and I hope that you subscribe and for more of my videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.